How to get Happymod on Android. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get Happymod on your Android device. Now, it's very simple. So, good thing that as of 2026, Happymod is already available via Google Play Store that you have on your mobile device. Now, case-to-case basis, if you're going to be running with the older version of Android, then you will not have this available on your Google Play Store. Again, you just need to make sure that you're updating your Android version so you will not miss any new features available. Access your Google Play Store and type in Happy Mod, and as you can see, it is already available on Google Play. However, if it's not showing on your end, then your last resort is to download the APK version of the file. Access any available browser that you can use on your Android device and simply type in Happymod APK. Choose on the first link that will redirect you into their official site. Choose on free download and make sure when you're installing it, allow all unknown sources file so that you can use the app. And that is how you get Happy Mod on Android.